My dear students, these three are the pics of previous question paper, corporate accounting, important questions, and previous question paper questions are uploaded here. You will find some questions in bank accounts, some questions in internal reconstruction, and in amalgamation one theory question is also there. What is amalgamation? What are the methods of calculation of purchase consideration? Then in short answers also you will find some questions like what do you mean by internal reconstruction, and anyhow we are expecting one question from bank accounts like preparation of schedule number 13 and 14 or 15 or 16. These two are very much important. Then my dear students, schedule number 9 of bank accounts is very much important. Number of times we will find this question. Prepare schedule number 9. 9 is loans and advances. Loans and advances. Other than this, my dear students, you may know in life insurance company accounts there is one valuation balance sheet. Every time we are expecting the same question. This time also it is important on part of theory and on part of problematic part. One should know what is the meaning of internal reconstruction and what is the meaning of amalgamation, what is the meaning of purchase consideration. These are repeatedly asked questions, my dear students. Liquidation is also one of the very important topic where you need to prepare. Here there is a short question on liquidator's commission. Generally, liquidator will be given a commission based on whatever amount which is available to unsecured creditors, my dear students. And in liquidation only, there are two very much important questions like who are contributories and preferential creditors. These two are very much important, my dear students. Okay, you have to concentrate some theory in liquidation also. Okay, liquidator final statement if given, though you did not prepare well, you can attempt. It is similar to a cash book. In the debit side, whatever amounts that which we receive, that we are going to take, and in the credit side, whatever payments that we made, we are going to write. Okay, that at least you try. At least trying. Payments means payment to preferential creditors, payment to liquidation expenses, payment to liquidator commission. Like this you need to write. And as you know, my dear students, after a complete preparation of liquidation, just you concentrate on bank accounts. Preparing for bank P&L account and bank balance sheet is a little bit easy. Only you have to learn all the schedules. At this time, I have given important questions number of times. And even in my previous videos, I explained you about various kinds of problems also. Give 20% importance to theory, 80% importance to practicals. Okay, I wish all the best. My dear students, attempt all the questions. Learn these topics like fire insurance claims and average clause also. There we need to prepare one trading account and memorandum trading account. Wish you all the best. Do share this, like my channel.